I'm going to be showing you the top 3 affiliate marketing offers that you should be promoting in September 2020. Sit back, motherfucker. Enjoy the video. Smash that thumbs up button if you get any type of value. And let's get started in this video. So, okay, motherfucker. The first offer I have from you, this is an offer from Warriors Plus. This is called 10x Profit Sites. Here is the landing page. We're going to do a nice review over this motherfucker. So make sure that you're enjoying the content provided to you this far. Now, if you want my personal opinion about this VSL, this landing page overall, I'm giving a solid 9 out of 10. This looks like it's definitely a good offer to convert. They have testimonials. Today, September 15th, as of the recording of this video. It looks very professional. Created by John Crestani and Robert Blanchard. Oh, I definitely have to promote this then. Anyway, moving forward, my computer's lagging a little bit. I'm trying to chop and edit this best I can. So yeah, motherfucker, this offer right here, again, it's available to you on Warrior Plus. So let me head over to my Warrior Plus account right here so you can take a look at this motherfucking offer so that you can see if it's a good fit for you, see how much the commission is going to be, so on and so on, all that good stuff. You still here with me, motherfucker? Okay, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I release new videos on a daily basis. All right, motherfucker, here we are on my Warriors Plus account. All right, so it kicked me out. Nope, here it is, motherfucker. All right, so we're going to click on it right here where it says 10x Profit Sites. It's going to load up again, so have some patience with me, motherfucker. Have some patience with me. Get this shit time to load up so that we can go through this together, motherfucker. We in this shit together, motherfucker. All right, you understand? You heard me? I'm a funny motherfucker. Hold on, motherfucker. It's got to load. All right, motherfucker. It looked like it has loaded. So first things first, you have to get approved to promote offers on Warrior Plus. This is very different from ClickBank. On certain ClickBank offers, they'll have you have the option to request to promote, but more than likely, 90% of the time, they'll more than likely approve you to promote the offer. So for Warrior Plus, you just want to click on request approval. Now, what I showed you previously ahead of this was the sales page, so I'm not going to open the sales page. I have the price range, so it looks like they have a bunch of front-end offers as well as upsells and downsells. So price range looking at $17 up to $97 per customer who comes in and buys from you using the Warrior Plus link. Keywords or interests that you will be targeting is people interested in affiliate marketing, make money online, how to make money online, so on, so on, and so on. They have a nice contest. Looks like it's contest still in session. Make 25 sales, get extra 50. Make 50 sales, get 150, so on, so on. So this is the first offer that I have for you, motherfucker. But stay tuned, because now I'm taking you to the JV Zoo side of things to show you how we get this motherfucking shit done right, motherfucker. So here we are on this offer that I have for you. That looks like the Deadbeat Super Affiliate guy, if you know who that is on YouTube. Anyway, moving aside, so on the JV Zoo side, I have this offer. This is Doodle Maker. Now, a lot of YouTubers that you watch, they have the Doodle shit pop up on the screen. I'm not going to play because you're going to hear a bunch of sound. Personally, I don't want to hear the sound. But anyway, here's a good idea. So you've probably seen this in the background or during the YouTube videos of which you watch from your favorite YouTubers like myself and others. So now you have the chance to go and get all these benefits that you see on the screen right here. But if you don't even want to promote this, I'm sure you know someone who does, or you can find the right community of people who are interested in buying this type of software so that they can go about promoting that and using that in their daily life. Has a one-time payment, so that you don't have to worry about no monthly recurring fee. Let's take a look at the page, motherfucker. Let's see how far this shit been loaded. Oh, motherfucker. Alright, motherfucker. Looks like it loaded. So let's take a look at what we got. So, oh, motherfucker. Hold on, motherfucker. Alright, here we are, motherfucker. Now, overall, I give this landing page another 9 out of 10. It's very professional, very engaging for the eye. And honestly, this is something that I would like to do, though I don't have the time for it now. See, here's all the different ways that you can use the Doodle Maker for. Pretty sure you're within one of these spaces: affiliate marketing, social media, e-commerce, branding, lead generation, sales, traffic campaigns, coaching, product creation, education, or agency business. So I feel somewhere down the line this can be very useful and beneficial for those who you choose to promote this offer to. If not, you choose to go about getting this for yourself, because this is a very high in demand skill. You can make a lot of good money from doing this. Don't know how much the software is, though. I'm not entirely scrolling all the way down because I know the interest rate of my YouTube video fluctuates. So most people care about this, most people don't. I'm only going to scroll down a little bit more. And boom, with that, I will take you to the third and last offer, motherfucker. And where we going to? We going to your favorite affiliate marketing platform, motherfucker. That's right, ClickBank. ClickBank, motherfucker. But I'm taking you to a different section of ClickBank. So in this section of ClickBank, I'm taking you to everyone's favorite side, the ClickBank University. And the reason why I brought you to this, one, is because I'm promoting this offer. So, I want to show you what I'm doing. I want to document more of my process more than just showing you the results, because social media has preceded that deficit on people that, all you see is the glam and the good. You don't really get to see the bad or the struggles or people's shortcomings. I want to show you my shortcomings and breakthrough. Hold on, I'm talking right now, motherfucker. No offense if you see this video. This is just all for fun. So here we are on the ClickBank University sales page. And honestly, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. It's not that many graphics. They have, people showing up, broadcasting the benefits of what's working, how to use ClickBank University, who ClickBank University is for, so on and so on. Of course, the testimonials, the social proof, the results of all the things they've accomplished this far. That's nice. That's nice. Again, ClickBank, if you're watching this video, the chances that you are, nothing but the most positive and utmost authentic opinion that I can come across, because I really like the ClickBank platform. And again, we're just having fun here. Anyway, motherfucker. So here we are. As you can see, promoting the ClickBank University, you have an average sales of $233.06 per person who decides to sign up and take you up on this offer. You have a gravity, what the fuck, motherfucker? You have a gravity score of 50 and an average monthly rebuild total of $168.75. Again, you'll be targeting those who are interested in affiliate marketing, how to make money from home, how to make money online, so on and so on. And with that, I conclude this video, motherfucker. But hold on. Before you leave this video, check out this playlist that's popping up on the screen. Check it out. I'll show you everything of my affiliate marketing since I've started from 2017 up to 2020, but then I took a break in 2017, got good at e-commerce. Now come back to affiliate marketing, motherfucker. So definitely make sure you check out that playlist to get everything that's relevant to you in 2020. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn that shit on, because most of y'all got subscribed, but y'all not getting the notifications I've been seeing in the comments. So make sure you turn that shit on. Smash that thumbs up before you have the video. And tune in tomorrow for another video from yours truly. Thank you, and with that, I conclude this video. Have a good day, motherfucker.